Oh, Barbie boy with some strong abs. Huh, what am I kidding? I have no abs. What is this? Wait a minute. Last time I was here. What's that? Oh. Well, whoa. Why am I a little short? Wait, what? I'm tripping. Whoa, I'm a dog? I'm tripping right now. Wait, I'm Max. Yeah, that was such a fun experience. Let's do it again. Yeah, I'm a dog now. Yeah. I feel so much more clumsier. God, I feel like I have to poop. I may be short, but I can run fast. I'm faster than the Flash, okay? Maybe not. I can just jump over this right now. Yeah, I'm so cool. I'm a doggy. Okay, that was not me. I'll jump the fence. Ow! What the heck? I'm not a dog anymore? Oh yeah, I forgot after a while it kind of goes away. I don't know where I am. I need to go home.